Hello everyone and welcome again to Alcalá Technology. Look what we have back again. So here we have the Karmann Ghia that we restored all the body, and the customer wanted to build all the mechanics, all the suspensions by itself because it was a historic car from him. And yeah, well, super happy and super proud of what we did and what I'm doing now, driving the body that I was jumping in at the beginning of the TV serial, or the beginning of when we started this project. So why the car is here again? Why? So we're gonna do the soft top, which we have it here, and it's really old, so from the 60s as the car. We're gonna fit it, test that everything works properly. We're gonna remove it, we're gonna paint it in black, and we're gonna fit the new clothes on top. Furthermore, what we're gonna do is to repair some chips that the customer did when he was building everything, which it was totally reasonable that it could happen, and we knew, so that's why we keep the last varnish coat to do. So we delivered the car, so then the customer could fit everything inside, all the mechanics and everything. And well, at the same time, you know, there are some spots that, well, some runs that it's also typical when you paint and you are, I mean, trying to be as professional as possible, and you give a nice coat. It's impossible to have a little run or whatever that at least you need to sand and remove and then, well, polish it as we do at the end. So after that, we're gonna repair these little things and we're gonna varnish again the car so it will be totally incredible, shiny, and well, this car is gonna be awesome at the end of this video. So yeah, let's start. Here, as you can see, the car is totally disassembled from the outside. Still, we need to remove some clips and some stuff. But yeah, let's start the disassembly and the journey, so enjoy! Hey, if you're right here, give us a like and follow us. You did it? Come on, give us a like.
Copiamos, pero con una masa grande. La copiamos más grande. La piel negra más grande.